1. Onkyo Integrated Audio Component Amplifier. Power amplification circuits feature original topology that's carefully tuned for phase accuracy, wide-spectrum signal reproduction, and natural transient response. 2. AudioSource 2-channel amplifier. Includes rack mount ears. 55 watts per channel at 8. 75 watts per channel at 4. 160 watts bridged mono. Line 1 and Line 2 priority input switching with Line 2 output. 3. Onkyo 9010 Integrated Stereo Amplifier. Powerful independent headphone amplifier for clear and detailed sound signature. 4. Gemtune X-1 Stereo Hi-Fi Integrated Amplifier brings you exquisite and refined music, 100% handmade, particularly ideal for vocal music and chords. 5. OSD Audio MX1260 Equipped with brains and brawn, the MX1260 includes 6 zones or 12-channel speakers. 6. Orb Audio Booster 50-watt Mini Integrated Amplifier. High-end digital mini amplifier, 25 watts per channel, plenty of power for any satellite, bookshelf or floor-standing speaker. 7. Marantz PM-8005 The Marantz PM-8005 integrated stereo amplifier delivers audiophile-grade sound quality along with system operational flexibility. 8. ELAC series integrated amplifier. At their heart is a brand new bass tracking amplifier delivering 80 watts per channel into 4 ohms. 9. AudioSource AMP 1200. The AudioSource AMP 1200 is a 12-channel amplifier for up to 6 stereo zones and 1 convenient enclosure. 10. Marantz MM7025. For more detailed information about Marantz MM7025, check the link below. For more detailed information, check the link below.